ओके. तर आज आपल्यासोबत आहे निखिल आणि बघूया आज आपण त्याचा इंटरव्ह्यू घेत आहोत कोर जावावरती. ठीक आहे. ओके आपण चालू करूयात. ओके निखिल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॅन यू टेल मी अबाउट युअरसेल्फ?
Yes, sir. I am Nikhil Kirampatkar. I am from Ahmednagar. I completed my undergraduate in Near Commerce and Science College, Ahmednagar, and I am currently pursuing my Master of Computer Science in Garware College, Pune. Uh, I have coming to my skill. I learned first language is C language. Then I shifted to Python and Java. I have knowledge of MySQL database, and I done a project in my undergraduate is a crime investigation management system, which is in Django technology. That's
Okay.
all about my introduction.
Okay. Good, Nikhil. Nikhil, what is your strength and weaknesses?
Strength is a I discuss a problem with my colleagues and team to solve it faster and faster, and that's is my strength. And weaknesses
Okay.
is some conventional communication is uh, communication is not better my, so this is my weakness.
Okay, okay, no problem. And you have to improve also communication because communication is X factor in interview also. Okay, and if your
Yes.
communication is good, that is the first impression on your interview also. Okay, no problem. Okay. My first question straightforward is that what is the difference between C++ and Java?
C++ and Java, both are object-oriented language, but in
Okay,
a C and C support the garbage collect. We can call a garbage collector in C++, but in Java we cannot call it. It call it automatically by Java. And C support the multi-level inheritance. Java not support.
yeah, yeah.
Uh, C have features like from prints function or Java not have C++ used for a graphical like in a gaming format, but Java not is uh, that's is different between.
Okay, then C++ having pointer also, but Java doesn't support
Yes,
pointer.
yes,
That is the main
yes,
difference. Okay.
yes.
Okay, okay, good. What are the features you know in Java?
First of all, there is no pointer, and Java is a simple language which is a does not support pointer, and Java using many technology like Android desktop application. By using Java, we can build a desktop application and a web application by using servlet. Java high level language means the language which are more compatible with human. Uh,
Yeah.
this is a Java language, and Java support many framework like Java have framework Spring Boot, Hibernate. So
Yeah.
we can build a better web application by using that framework.
Yes, yes. Right, 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 Nikhil. What are the data types available in Java?
There are 8 data types like int, float, character, long, short, boolean, uh, आणि that's all data type in Java.
Okay, what is the default value of Boolean data type?
Boolean is a false,
Yes,
I
right.
think.
False is the default value. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what are the OOPS concept present in Java?
Uh, OOPS concept, there are 4 pillars of OOPS concept. First is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction.
Okay. Okay, but can you tell me what is OOPS exactly and why we use object-oriented programming instead of procedural-oriented programming?
Because of by using OOP, we can use code again and again. Means reusability of code is increased, and we can by using OOPS concept, the algorithm of the using of code is faster. So
Okay.
we don't need to write a function for that.
Okay. And what is JDK, JRE, JVM?
Uh, we have a JDK. JDK is a Java development kit which contain JRE and JVM and some tools like Java P, Java C, and JRE. JRE is a Java runtime environment which contain JVM and some packages uh, like util package and there, and JVM contain memory area like heap area, main method, stack area, pg register, uh,
Okay.
all of that native memory area, or loading, JIT compiler. So
Yeah, yeah.
this is a part of.
JVM. Okay. That is the main component of Java. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Nikhil, you know, compiler is available in Java also, and the interpreter
yes,
also. Java is compile and interpreter language. Can you tell
yes,
me
yes.
the purpose of compiler and interpreter? What is the work
Compiler
of
means,
that? Yeah.
yes, compiler is used to compile our call, and they find the mistake which mistake we done in our program, and interpreter uses to solve give this error in a, like we have error in second line, then compiler will be stopped there, and first of all we want to solve this error in first line, then mm, after compiling they goes to second line error. So line by line checking is done in the interpreter.
Okay, that means compiler is only for checking the errors or anything also compiler done or not.
Compiler is used to convert our file into dot class also.
Yes, yes, yes. That means bytecode generate by using compiler.
Yes,
And what is the purpose of interpreter?
it is used to check code our in a line by line format, like a Python. When we have error in second line, then stop our compilation process, stop into second line. They does not execute next line. So we want to solve the second line, and then we want to forward it.
Yes, yes, yes. You are correct. And also, interpreter is responsible to convert that bytecode. That means it's execute bytecode and convert into machine code also. Because machine
Okay.
understand only machine code, that is responsibility of interpreter. And compiler is only responsible to convert source code into bytecode. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Nikhil, can you tell me what is abstraction in Java?
Yes, generally abstraction is used to data hiding. We can achieve abstraction by using abstraction class using abstraction keyword. In abstraction, we have a non-abstract or abstract method. Uh,
Okay.
when you create a class as abstracts, and in abstract class, let we have a method like show. Then we want to
Okay.
write this abstract method body in our child class. So we cannot create a object of or abstract class, and we can create a reference of it, but we cannot create object. By using of abstraction, we done a data hiding. So like we have a bank software which have a 8% loan. When we have a software, we want to compulsory 8% loan, then we cannot ignore that 8%. We can write this 8% method in a abstract class. So we want to declare in a child class compulsory. Uh, that's
Okay.
concept we use in abstract.
Yes, yes, right, right. And what is the difference between abstract class and interface?
Yes, interface cannot contain a constructor or an instance variable.
Okay.
But abstraction contain a constructor or instance variable. Interface contain only a abstract method, not a non-abstract. An abstract both method contain. Uh, or we extend a multiple interface by using extend keyword, or we can implement a class by using interface. म्हणजे We want to
Okay.
implement an interface with the implement keywords.
Yes.
If you want to implement extend a class, we extend a abstract class by using extend keyword.
Okay. Can we extend multiple classes?
No, by using extend keyword, we cannot extend multiple classes. We want to use a implement keyword.
Okay, that means we can implement multiple interfaces.
Yes. No, no, we can. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Can we extend multiple interfaces?
Yes. No, no.
Yes.
By using extend keyword, we cannot extend, but by using implement, we can implement multiple interfaces in the.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Nikhil. Um, which is better to use, abstract class or interface to achieve security?
By security, I think interface is better because we cannot all when you declare a variable, the by default is a static final, so we
Okay.
cannot change in there. And all methods are interface are abstracts. So when we want to declare this method body in child class compulsory.
Okay. Can we make a variable as a static and final?
Yes,
Uh, is it possible variable like public, static, final, int x equals to 10?
yes,
Can be variable like public, static, final, int x and semicolon?
no, because we declare a variable as a final, then we want to initialize it.
Yes, we have should initialize that variable, right?
Yes.
Uh, can we make a class as a final?
uh no, when you declare a class as a final, no, we cannot declare as a class as a final. When you declare class as a final, we cannot inherit it. So
But my question is that can we make class as a final?
I think yes, we can declare class as a final, but we cannot
Yes.
extend it.
Yes, if you make a class as a final, we cannot override or we cannot extend that class,
Yes,
but we can
extend.
make class
Yes,
as a final. Class can be
yes.
static.
Yes, we declare class as a static, but the class which are inner class of another class, and that class we declare as a static.
Okay,
Outer
only
class we
inner
cannot
class.
declare as a static.
Yes, yes.
Inner class means the class which are declared inside another class.
Okay,
That
right,
class
right.
is nested class.
Okay. Nikhil, when we make a class as a final, can we
Mhm.
override the method of that class? Method is not
Uh,
final. Method is public, but can we
yes,
override that method?
no. When we not inherited class, though some that's why we cannot override that method also.
Okay, that means when class make a final, so all method are
Method
also
also,
become a
yes.
yes, right. Okay. Why we use the concept of method overloading in Java? What is the reason and what are the advantages of method overloading?
Uh, Vector overloading is also known as compile time polymorphism.
Polymorphism. Okay.
Uh, yes, by using method overloading, we can declare a function in a same class as the same name, but a different parameter. Like
Yes.
we have a, method like show, and uh, we have a show method of two name, but have both method have a same different parameter. By
Okay.
using that, we can achieve a overloading in Java. Mm, it is generally used to for code reusability. Means we can uh, execute our code fastly by using method overloading.
Hey, you can say to achieve same task but different way, right?
Yes. Yes.
With same name, we have to declare same name function, right? That is same for method name, but the argument are different. We can achieve different
Yes.
tasks by using same method name. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the advantage of method overriding?
Overriding is a next feature of overloading, like when we declare a class name as same as our super class name, uh, means the method which having a same name but in a different class and a same parameter. By using that, we can achieve our method overriding. Overriding is also known as a runtime
Runtime.
polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism. So
But why we
that's
use? What is the advantage of that?
like we have a thread in Java. Thread have a method in Java by default. When you want our thread, we extend that thread. So there we use overriding. Means our thread we create in child class. So that's the example of thread overriding in Java.
Okay, that means we can implement existing code, right?
Yes,
Existing
yes,
code I want to replace. That time we can use
yes,
overriding.
yes. Overriding. Thread
Okay,
is the example.
okay. And why we use encapsulation? What is the difference between abstraction and encapsulation?
Uh, abstraction in abstraction we want to declare our method in child class, but in encapsulation, uh, some people have a right to change or extract data that, like we have a set or get method.
Okay.
By using set method we can set the data, but by using another method we cannot get. We want only a get method to achieve a getter in encapsulation. uh, Encapsulation we achieve by using uh, private keyword.
Yeah, yeah. Making variables
uh,
are private.
yes, so
Okay.
anyone cannot access that data from our
Yes,
class
yes,
outside.
yes. Right. And what is the use of what is the use of inheritance?
Inheritance, generally, by when you use inheritance, there is a tightly coupled is occur. uh, Class
Okay.
are tightly coupled in inheritance. Use of inheritance is used to code reusability. There are multiple types of inheritance, like single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance in Java. Java does not support multi-level inheritance
No, no,
because
multiple.
of multiple, sorry,
And what is the
multiple
reason?
inheritance
Can you tell me what is the reason why not,
because
not
of
support?
ambiguity error, diamond problem. Like we have a two method having a same method in a different class. Mm, Compiler get confused about which method we want to call. That's why the multiple inheritance.
Nikhil, first of all, tell me what is multiple inheritance?
Right, we have a class, two class like A or B, and we
Yeah.
extend this blows class in a C class.
Yeah.
Uh, this A or B class having a same method. So we write a extend in C class A and B. So we want to call this method show method in our subclass. When you call this method, compiler get confused about which method of we want to call,
Yes.
like
Yes.
A method we want to call or B method. So in their ambiguity error is occur. So that's not supported in Java. To overcome this problem, Java introduces an interface.
Yes. Right. We can achieve multiple inheritance by using interface.
Interface.
Okay. What are the final classes are present in Java? Inbuilt
uh,
classes.
ob- like uh, clone method,
No, no,
classes,
classes.
uh,
Yeah.
string,
String is
uh,
final. Yeah. Right. And
uh,
anyone?
string buffer, string builder.
No, only string class is final, and wrapper. All wrapper classes are also final. Can you
Okay,
know about wrapper class?
yes. Wrapper class is generally used for creating a we like we have a integer, then we
Yeah.
want to convert it into object. Then we use
Yes.
a wrapper class to convert
Yes.
a non-prim data type into
Object. Okay. We have
yes.
integer, float, string.
Okay.
Okay. All of the wrapper classes present in Java. Okay. Coming to the collection, can you briefly tell me what is collection in Java and why we use that?
Generally, collection we use for the like we have a generally collection we use for data storing in a different format like list, list array, uh, queue, map interface. In collection we have interface like
Mhm.
list, map, queue, or set.
Map is part
uh,
of collection or not?
collection.
No, map is
Map
not
is
part of
another
collection.
collection. Map is
Okay.
another collection. Our collection is another collection.
Okay.
So uh, that's
Map
about
is not part of collection. Okay. Map is a
yes,
different,
yes,
we can say, concept in Java. Okay.
yes, yes.
Can you tell me some inbuilt interfaces are present in Java?
List interface uh, or list
In which
interface
package? In which package list interface are
util
present?
java.util.
Java.ut. Okay. List
Yes.
interface then.
uh, Array list or a
ArrayList is
vector
class. ArrayList is class. My question
so
is that interfaces.
a list uh,
Collection is what?
queue.
Interface or class?
Collection is a interface. Collection
Yes.
is a class which contain a sorting method like sort, max, min. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
Okay, no
this
problem. Collection is interface and collections is class.
or a
Yeah.
class. Yes.
We have list, set, queue. That are the
Yes.
interfaces in Java. Okay. Nikhil, what is difference between array list and vector?
Uh, Vector is a legacy class. In vector, we can add element. Vector size is I am not I
Okay,
know
okay.
don't know about that. So
Okay, no
sorry.
problem. What is array and array list? What is the difference between that array and array list?
In array list, we can store a heterogeneous element. Like we don't
Yes,
need to declare a size of that array list.
yes.
In array, we want to declare a size, and in array there is should be a losses of like when we declare a array of a 5 element and we store a 3 element, then two element size will be uh, like not be execute. So this side by using array list we can uh,
Or
like
heterogeneous elements of data, yeah.
yes,
Which method we have to use for that, for adding elements in array list?
add method we use to
Okay,
add
add
element.
method. Okay. If I want to add another array list, which method we have to use?
Add all method.
Add all method, yeah. Can you tell me
Yeah.
some names of method which are present in array list class?
uh, we use
Add all, then remove,
add all,
is
remove
empty.
yes, is empty or
Okay, okay, no problem.
yeah.
Okay, can you tell me what is map interface and what are the implemented classes of map interface?
uh, in map we have a hash map, uh,
Okay,
uh, all I don't know about map also.
okay, they are having some implemented classes like hash map, then tree
Yes,
map, linked hash map, hash table also
yes,
there. Okay, that is legacy class. We know about that. Okay, Nikhil's all is good. Your knowledge is, I think, 80-90% is good, and still improvement is needed to you also. Okay, and you know about collection is mostly used framework in Java,
yes,
and we have to
yes, yes.
improve also in that. Okay, so that is my suggestion
Yes.
for you, to improve in collection also. Okay, all things are good. Okay, let's come to the exception handling also. What is exception
Yes.
handling and why to use that?
Uh, to handle some unbounded or unexpected error in our program, we use exception handling.
Okay.
By there are some keywords like try, catch, finally, throw, and throws. By using this keyword, we can achieve exception only. So
In try block, which code we have to write?
our main code is our like our the code which have the I think the code which generates something error.
Yes, that means
That's
risky
code
code
we
we
can
have to
write.
write. And
Yes, yes.
in catch block,
We write a exception. Our exception when our try catch giving out some error. This error goes to catch block and catch block throwing a error.
yes,
And
catch will catch that error. Okay,
yes, yes.
and we can print the message also here. And what is
Yes.
finally? Why we write finally block?
Finally, block is a block that execute compulsory. Generally, finally we use in a like the operation we want to perform compulsory, like closing the database connection. It is
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. If there is any exception occur or not, finally will always execute.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Can you tell me what is final? Finally, you also said final, finally, but can you tell me repeat what is final, finally, and finalize?
Finalize. Okay. Final is a keyword. Uh, when we declare as any variable as a final, then we cannot change it. It works like a constant. Uh,
Yes.
that's about the final. And final is a block. It compulsory execute in a exception handling.
Okay.
And finalize is a method. Uh, by using finalize, we can uh, garbage collector is a call in finalize
It's
method.
just call before garbage collection call, right?
Yes, yes. That's
Okay.
about final.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Nikhil, what is file handling concept in Java?
By using file handling, we can write, read, or create a file, or delete also. We can perform action on a file by using file handling.
We can perform read write operations on the file.
Yes.
Which classes we have to use for that to write or read a file?
Uh, to create a file, we use, I don't know, but uh, my region is not completed. So
Okay, no problem. We have file input stream class, file output stream class for write a data, input stream for read a data. Okay, and we have some methods also, read method, write method also, right? If I want to get the name of file, we have also methods for get name. Then I want to access the path of that file, get absolute path method also. Okay, I want to delete file, delete method also. Okay,
oh
we
yes,
have
I
lots
done it,
of.
but my region is not completed. So
Okay, okay, no problem. Nikhil, all things are good. I think you know about JDBC.
yes, yes.
Okay,
So
what is
JDBC
JDBC?
is a Java development, Java database management system. It is generally used for a connect with the database. Uh, like we want to insert the data into database, so we make a connection to the JDBC database by using JDBC.
Okay, and
Yes.
What are the steps to connect Java application with database?
First of all, we want to load our driver, uh,
Yeah.
JDBC driver. Then we want to create a connection, MySQL connection, uh, by using our port name, port number, MySQL databases, or
Which
our
method? Which method we have to use to establish connection?
uh,
Get connection
my
method.
yes, yes, get connection,
Which
right?
class get connection method?
Uh, in
Driver
I
manager
think
class. No, no,
yes,
driver manager class having get connection method. And what is the return type of get connection method?
yes.
It will return
Uh,
connection. Okay, it
Yeah.
will return connection. Okay, and after that, whenever our connection is established, what is the next step?
Uh, then we want to
We have to create statement object.
yes, in by using statement we can perform query.
Okay, that is the create statement method of connection we have to use to create the statement. And after that,
Yeah.
by using statements method like execute query, execute update, we can perform database operations.
Yes.
Okay. You know some advanced Java concept or not?
Mm, no,
Okay,
I know
no,
basic,
no,
but
don't worry. Our interview is based on core Java only. Okay, I just asked
yeah.
you for that. Okay,
No, sir,
just
I
basic.
done it, but there is a long time ago.
Okay, tell me, can we connect database like SQL, MySQL database with Java by using JDBC? Can we connect another database like Oracle? I want to connect. Can I connect that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
We can
And
connect.
which package we have to use to connect MySQL database or to perform SQL queries in Java?
Uh,
Recently, I said connection interface, driver manager class. All
yes,
these
yes.
classes were present in which package? They are present in java.sql package. Okay,
Yes, yes.
Java provides java.sql package, and they are having all packages, all interfaces and classes are present. So they are having statement, collection, connection, then driver also interface available. Then driver manager class they are having result set interface also. Okay, so we have to
Okay.
know each and every concept. Okay, Java.
Okay.
Whenever you give a real interview for the company, that time we know all each and everything because interviewer we don't know what questions they ask you. Okay,
Oh, yes.
okay, I think I said all is okay, just suggestion for you to improve all that things what you might be confused in that. Okay, okay, no
Okay.
problem. Nikhil, so can we stop today? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just share
Thank
your
you for giving
experience
us.
for all of users. What's your experience? Just tell me.
Yes. First of all, thank you for giving this as an opportunity to mock interview.
Okay.
Sir, it was a great experience with you. Uh, I know about the my weaknesses in interview, so I can improve on that, and that's all about.
Okay, okay, okay. No worry. And whatever students see this interview, just see,
Yes.
guys. Interviews very simply we have to prepare all concepts. Okay, and interviewer will ask all concepts are present in Java. Then not ask the concept not related to Java. Okay, we have to just prepare all concepts present in Java. Interview is very simple and. Okay, Nikhil, we will arrange another interview for you in future that regarding
Yes.
advanced Java also, and we also arrange for a practical interview. Whatever practical knowledge
Yes.
you have, we will see in next interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I will.
okay. Bye, bye, Nikhil. We'll
Thank
stop
you.
here. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.